Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel read-only for others. First, open your Excel workbook. Navigate to the File tab, then select Info. Here, you'll find Protect Workbook. You can choose Mark as Final to signal that the document is complete, which will show a warning if someone tries to edit it. This is a good first step for basic protection. For stronger protection, you can encrypt your workbook with a password. Under Protect Workbook, select Encrypt with Password. This requires users to enter a password just to open the file. Alternatively, when saving, choose Tools then General Options in the Save as dialog. Here, you can set a password to modify, allowing others to open but not change the file without the correct password. You can also protect specific sheets or even individual cells. Go to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet. You can choose what actions users are allowed to perform, like selecting locked cells or formatting. To allow editing of certain cells, first unlock them by right-clicking, selecting Format Cells, and unchecking Locked in the Protection tab before protecting the sheet. Once you've applied your desired protection, remember to save your workbook. Use Save as to ensure all changes are applied. When sharing, clearly communicate any passwords or restrictions to your collaborators. This ensures your data remains secure while still being accessible in a controlled manner. Your Excel file is now protected and ready for distribution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.